Hello, I'm Dwayne from Dwayne Outdoor Ventures. Please like and subscribe. Well, as I predicted, heavy rain that we've been getting here in Pennsylvania, 2B area. March 4th, I predicted that was kind of the transition day. And I kind of thought that the tree frogs will emerge after all of this rain. For those of you that don't know what a tree frog is, they're basically a frog that comes out around swampy areas, puddled areas, ponds, and they mate. And they sound very much like crickets, but they're not. They're tree frogs. And for those of you that been in the woods for a while, you know what I'm talking about. Through all the years that I've been hunting turkey, I've noticed that right about when they emerge is when the gobblers will start responding to you as the perpetrator of a hen trying to call to them. Up until then, I heard a couple gobbles off camera, but not on. They weren't even gobbling at me. Had a lot of hens respond to me, but nothing. But you'll see in this video, after I am very disappointed in a couple times that the gobblers responded to me, they were off camera. So, and you'll see what the difference between calls, what it will do. I was using a mouth call, but they weren't gobbling at it. But as soon as I used the box call, you got to listen pretty good at the end of that video when I start playing on box call.